cum ingenti labore monstrum ad navem traxisset, cum praeda in Graeciam rediit. Okay, let's see how this goes. Highlighter over here. Then, when he had dragged the monster to the ship with great effort, he returned with his plunder into Greece. Okay, so a couple tricky things here. Why is this cum when instead of with? After all, we have this ablative noun here with great labor. Well, cum plus a person can be a prepositional phrase, but it cannot be with some sort of non-person thing. So that's why it's not with great labor. The ablative of accompaniment requires a person or a living thing to accompany. Secondly, traxisset over here is obviously subjunctive, pluperfect subjunctive. So that's how we know we have a cum clause. Now over here, cum praeda, that one is allowed to be cum, ablative of accompaniment, because the plunder in this instance is the monster that Hercules had snagged. So he returned to Greece accompanied by or with this live monster.